Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician, physicist, inventor, writer, and Catholic philosopher. He was a child prodigy who was educated by his father, a tax collector in Rouen. Pascal's earliest work was in the natural and applied sciences, where he made important contributions to the study of fluids and clarified the concepts of pressure and vacuum. Pascal also wrote in defense of the scientific method. Pascal was born in Clermont-Ferrand. He lost his mother Antoinette Bigon at the age of 3. His father Etienne Pascal, who also had an interest in science and mathematics, was a local judge. Pascal had two sisters, the younger Jacqueline and the elder Gilberte, particularly his own Blaise. At the age of 11, he composed a short treatise on the sounds of vibrating bodies, and Etienne responded by forbidding his son to further pursue mathematics until the age of 15, so as not to harm his study of Latin and Greek. One day, however, Etienne found Blaise writing an independent proof that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to two right angles with a piece of coal on a wall. From then on, the boy was allowed to study Euclid. Perhaps more importantly, he was allowed to sit in as a silent onlooker at the gatherings of some of the greatest mathematicians and scientists in Europe, in the monastic cell of Père Mersenne. Pascal had poor health, especially after his 18th year, and his death came just 2 months after his 39th birthday. In 1642, while still a teenager, he started some pioneering work on calculating machines, and after 3 years of effort and 50 prototypes, he invented the mechanical calculator. He built 20 of these machines in the following 10 years, and they were called the Pascalines. Pascal was a mathematician of the first order. He helped create two major new areas of research. He wrote a significant treatise on the subject of projective geometry at the age of 16, and later corresponded with Pierre de Fermat on probability theory, strongly influencing the development of modern economics and social science. Following Galileo and Torricelli, in 1646 he refuted Aristotle's followers, who insisted that nature abhors a vacuum. His results caused many disputes before being accepted. 1646, he and his sister Jacqueline identified with the religious movement within Catholicism known by its detractors as Jansenism. His father died in 1651. Following a mystical experience in late 1654, he had his second conversion, abandoned his scientific work, and devoted himself to philosophy and theology. His two most famous works date from this period: the Letters Provinciales and the Pensives, the former set in the conflict between Jansenists and Jesuits. In this year he also wrote an important treatise on the arithmetical triangle. Between 1658 and 1659 he wrote on the cycloid and its use in calculating the volume of solids. At 16, Pascal began preparing to write a study of the entire field of mathematics, but his father required his time to hand total long columns of numbers. Pascal began designing a calculating machine, which he finally perfected when he was 30, the Pascaline, a beautiful handcrafted box about 14 by 5 by 3 inches. The first accurate mechanical calculator was born. In mathematics, Pascal's triangle is a triangular array of the binomial coefficients in a triangle. It is named after the French mathematician Blaise Pascal. In much of the Western world, although other mathematicians studied it centuries before him in Greece, India, Persia, China, and Italy. Rows of Pascal's triangle are conventionally enumerated starting with row n equals to 0 at the top. The entries in each row are numbered from the left beginning with k equals to 0 and are usually staggered relative to the numbers in the adjacent rows. A simple construction of a triangle proceeds in the following manner. On row 0, write only the number 1. Then, to construct the elements of following rows, add the number directly above and to the left with the number directly above and to the right to find the new value. If either the number to the right or left is not present, substitute a 0 in its place. For example, the first number in the first row is 0 plus 1 equals 1, whereas the numbers 1 and 3 in the third row are added to produce the number 4 in the fourth row. Although Pascal's triangle is named after 17th century mathematician Blaise Pascal, several other mathematicians knew about and applied their knowledge of the triangle hundreds of years before the birth of Pascal in 1623. As of today, the triangle appears to have been discovered independently by both the Persians and the Chinese during the 11th century. Although no longer in existence, the work of Chinese mathematician He Haisen showed that he was using the triangle to extract square and cube roots of numbers. Also having a method of extracting roots of numbers, Omar Khayyam, a Persian mathematician, seems to have had knowledge of the so-called Pascal's triangle. In China, after He Haisen's discovery of the relationship between extracting roots and the binomial coefficients of the triangle, work continued on the topic by several Chinese algebraists to solve higher than cubic equations. Pascal's work was so precocious that Descartes, when shown the manuscript, refused to believe that the composition was not by the elder Pascal. When assured by Mersenne that it was, indeed, the product of the son, not the father, Descartes dismissed it with a sneer. I do not find it strange that he has offered demonstrations about conics more appropriate than those of the ancients, adding, but other matters related to the subject can be proposed that would scarcely occur to a 16-year-old child. Particularly of interest to Pascal was a work of Desargues on conic sections. Following Desargues' thinking, the 16-year-old Pascal produced, as a mean of proof, a short treatise on what was called the mystic hexagram and sent it to Père Mersenne in Paris. It is known still today as Pascal's theorem. It states that if a hexagon is described in a circle or conic, then the three intersection points of opposite sides lie on a line, called the Pascal line.